I'm not a fan of intros. Let's get straight into it. Long story short, I've created a new LUT for Blackmagic cinema cameras, and it's quite experimental at the moment. It leans towards kind of teal orange, I would say, maybe some Fuji elements to it. Let me just give you a little preview. So this is footage from the Blackmagic Ursa Cine 17K. The system's going to be running a little slow today because it's a 17K file and my system likes to take things easy, shall we say. Right, let's find the LUT first. Axis, there we go. Okay, so it's a hybrid LUT. This is the after image, before, after, before, after. It's one of those LUTs that, where it's kind of, I don't want to keep using the word aggressive, but where it's so strong, should we say, some of the functionality of the raw tab, for example, the color temperature, etc., it starts to act a bit funny. When you're adjusting for a warmer color or a cooler color, it adjusts the luminance values as well. So I'm still kind of playing around with it, but yes. So as it stands, that is straight out of the box. So it's a hybrid LUT. Don't need to do anything. It's literally just a plug and play. So you just apply it to the footage, and this is straight off the bat. No conversions, no nothing. I probably would use this as an input LUT or as a LUT that I would apply, say for example, to the clip here, and then make all the adjustments afterwards rather than in front, purely because there are weird things happening when playing around, mainly to do with, again, luminance. I'll just give you a quick example. So if I was to go to the HDR wheel, just not go too crazy. Very, very aggressive adjustments. Stylized. But yeah, I would probably save all of those adjustments till afterwards, so you have a bit more control. Anyway, I thought, let me just showcase this. Potentially it's coming out. I'll need to do more experimentations, but let me know what you think. Until next time.